First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to the basic level arrangement number 1. So P, Q, R, S, T, V, W and Z are sitting around a circular table and all the persons are facing the center, and also they are not sitting necessarily in the same order. So totally there are 8 persons and 8 persons are sitting in a circular table and all the persons are facing the center. So what we can do is we can draw a circle, and they have directly given that 8 persons are sitting in a circle and all of them were facing the center. So got it? First point. S is third to right of P. So P right hand side at the third place where S is sitting. We know that all the persons are facing the center. So what we can do is I can fix P here, right? So P right hand side. If P is facing the center, then P left hand side will be this side and P right hand side will be this side. So P right hand side at a second place where S is sitting. So right hand side will be this side. So first place and second place. So this is the place where S is sitting. Got it? Next point. P is second to right of V. So now V right hand side at the second place the person P is sitting. So remember that V right hand side. So what I can do is I can fix V here, because we know all the persons are facing a center. Only if I fix V here, we know V is facing center and V right hand side will be this side and V left hand side will be this side. So according to the point, V right hand side at the second place P is sitting. So now I confirm the P is sitting here, S is sitting here and also V is sitting here. So these are the points I have confirmed it, right? So next point. R is second to left of V. So V left hand side at the second place who is sitting? R is sitting. We already fixed V here. We know V right hand side will be this side and left hand side will be this side. So now according to the point, V left hand side at the second place R is sitting. So first place and this will be the second place where R is sitting. So this is the place for R. Next. And third to right of Q. So Q right hand side at the third place where R is sitting. So remember that Q right hand side at the third place who is sitting? R is sitting. Where you need to fix Q? See here, if I fix Q here, for example I am saying, if I am fixing Q here, we already know that everyone is facing the center. So Q left hand side at the third place is R according to this diagram. But what actually the question says? Q right hand side third place should be R. So definitely I should not fix Q here. I should fix Q here. So Q and Q is facing center. Only then according to the question the diagram will be correct. Because Q right hand side at the third place is R. So finally I fixed Q. In case if I fixed Q here, then Q left hand side third place will be R. According to the question, Q right hand side third place should be R. Got it? Next point. W is not an immediate neighbor of V. So V immediate neighbor is not a W, right? So we should not fix W here. It is not the place. And similarly, I should not fix W here, because V immediate neighbor, both these places should not be W. Then only one place is remaining, then definitely this should be W. No other way, right? Because we fixed all the remaining letters and these two places are not for W. Then only one place we have this. So this should be W. Last point. Z is second to right of T. So remember that T right hand side at a second place should be Z. Then we already know that only 2 places remaining, and at the last point it's a clear, I think clear note they have given. T right hand side at a second place it should be Z. So only I should fix T here, no other possible. If I fix T here, then we already know that T is facing center, all the persons are facing center, right? So T, if T is facing center, so T right hand side will be this side, to T right hand side at a second place Z. So I should fix Z here. That's it. So finally we can say R, W, S, Q, P, Z and V and T. So this will be the answer for arrangement number 1. So very easy. If you read the question slowly and note down all the points clearly and apply in the diagram, you will definitely get an answer. So this will be the answer for basic level arrangement number 1.